La plataforma de servicios conectados Scania permite conocer el estado actual de tu flota y su conducción, haciendo más eficiente el consumo de combustible. Scania brinda una herramienta única, llevando el análisis y gestión de la conducción al siguiente nivel. El conductor es evaluado en parámetros como ralentí, conducción por inercia y anticipación. A través de Scania Driver Coaching, los conductores pueden recibir también asesoramiento y consejos de un entrenador profesional. Alcance el máximo potencial de su flota con los servicios conectados Scania.
Mercado Vial TV, un mundo de máquinas.
Okay, we continue in Wirtgen stand here in World of Asphalt. Now we are in the pavers.
What we have here is our 2000-3 continuous rubber track paver with the Tier 4 final engine and some changes to our control system compared to our Dash 2 models. This is the 2000-3. We have a continuous rubber track system, which is a friction drive system. The max travel speed with a machine like this is 8 miles per hour. The max paving speed is 250 feet per minute. We use vibratory screeds in North America. So with vibratory screeds, you can pave much faster than you could with a compaction screed. So the max paving speed on this machine is 250 feet per minute.
No tamper.
No tamper, just vibration and angle of attack is how we gain compaction. On this model here, we have a passive remixing insert that's being used with a material transfer. And under the passive remixing insert, we have an active remixing insert. Most mix does not segregate to the point where you need active remixing all the time. So when you do need active remixing, you remove the insert, you install the remixing module and put the insert back on top of it. The insert itself is a passive remixing insert, which means you have remixing without any moving parts. So it's the design of the insert, the shape of the insert, the bottom opening, and a grate system on top that you may have in some cases crust from the truck from long hauling. You need to break up the crust. So the grate system in the insert does that. Now, with today's technology, we have the infrared cameras being used to measure the temperature at the back of the asphalt to predetermine what your compaction will be. So there's more focus now on thermal segregation and gradation segregation. So another reason for the passive remixing insert is to minimize gradation segregation, which would lead to thermal segregation, which leads to premature failure. So in North America, we use two sizes of pavers, 30,000 pound and above, not commercial pavers. The 30,000 pound and above pavers are usually in a 10-foot chassis and an 8-foot chassis. The 8-foot pavers generally are used for commercial work, not mainline paving. The hopper insert and the material transfers are usually used on mainline paving. However, the insert does fit an 8-foot paver, but more of the applications will be on 10-foot machines. So the 10-foot pavers carries a 10-foot screed that goes 10 to 19.6. The 8-foot pavers have an 8-foot screed that goes 8 to 15.6. In both cases, depending whether it's track or wheel machines, you can add up to 4 foot of extensions, bolt-on extension per side. So on this machine, you can put extensions and pave up to 28 feet wide. Between tracks and wheels, tracks are generally used for flotation. In the past, tracks were also used for more tractive effort. But on a wheel paver with all-wheel drive, meaning all 6 wheels driving, you're capable of developing the same tractive effort on a wheel paver as you are on a track paver because you're converting 100% of the weight to tractive effort.
It's not an advantage anymore.
It's not that big of an advantage anymore. However, if you are in soft soil conditions, then you may need the flotation. So that's where a track paver will be more of a requirement compared to a wheel paver.